Whether you're starting a new job or looking for a raise in your current position, negotiating your salary can be a nerve-wracking process. Welcome to Money Mindset, where we provide educational resources on money, personal finance, and investing. In this video, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's on everyone's mind: how to negotiate a salary increase. If you're serious about enhancing your financial future, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video if it was helpful to you. Number 1. Do your research. Research is the foundation of a successful salary negotiation. It's crucial to know your worth in the job market before entering any negotiation. Take the time to research industry standards, salary ranges for similar positions, and the cost of living in your area. This information will provide you with a solid understanding of the market value for your role and allow you to negotiate with confidence. There are various resources you can use to gather this information. Websites like Glassdoor and PayScale provide salary data for different job roles and industries. You can also conduct informational interviews with professionals in your field to gain valuable insights about salary expectations. Reach out to mentors, colleagues, or other industry experts who can share their experiences and knowledge about salary negotiations. By doing thorough research, you'll have a clear idea of what you should be aiming for in terms of salary during the negotiation process. It will also help you prepare evidence-based arguments to support your request for a salary increase, making your negotiation more compelling and persuasive. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to negotiating your salary. The more informed you are about the market value of your role and industry, the better equipped you will be to advocate for fair compensation during your salary negotiation. So, invest the time and effort to do your research and gather valuable insights that will give you the confidence to negotiate effectively. Number 2. Be prepared. As the saying goes, practice makes perfect. Being prepared is crucial for a successful salary negotiation. Role-play different scenarios with a friend, mentor, or even by yourself, and prepare responses to common objections or questions that may arise during the negotiation process. This will help you anticipate potential challenges and be ready with well-thought-out responses, keeping you composed and confident during the negotiation. In addition to practicing your responses, it's important to communicate your value to the company effectively. Highlight your achievements, contributions, and the impact you have made in your role. Be specific about how your skills, experience, and accomplishments align with the company's goals and the market value for your position. Showcasing your value and the positive impact you have had on the company will strengthen your case for a salary increase. Being clear about why you deserve a salary increase is crucial. Back up your request with concrete evidence of your performance, such as exceeding targets, taking on additional responsibilities, or receiving positive feedback from clients or colleagues. Be prepared to provide examples of your achievements and contributions that demonstrate your value to the company. Remember, confidence and preparation are key during a salary negotiation. The more prepared you are, the better equipped you will be to articulate your value and make a compelling case for a salary increase that aligns with your skills, experience, and the market value. So, practice, prepare, and be ready to communicate your worth confidently during the negotiation process. Number 3. Timing is key. When it comes to negotiating your salary, timing is crucial. Choosing the right time to have the conversation can greatly impact the success of your negotiation. Avoid discussing salary during your first interview or when the company is going through financial constraints. Instead, wait for a more appropriate time, such as during a performance review, when you've achieved notable milestones, or when you have a competing job offer. Timing your negotiation strategically can work in your favor. During a performance review, for example, your manager may already be evaluating your contributions and achievements, making it a suitable time to discuss a salary increase. Similarly, if you have achieved significant milestones or have received a competing job offer, it can create leverage for negotiating a higher salary. When approaching the topic of salary increase, it's important to be tactful, professional, and respectful. Consider scheduling a meeting with your supervisor specifically to discuss your salary. This shows that you value their time and are approaching the topic in a formal and respectful manner. Be prepared to provide evidence of your achievements, contributions, and the value you bring to the company. Use concrete examples of your performance and accomplishments to support your request for a salary increase. Remember, timing is key in a salary negotiation. Choose the right time to have the conversation, approach the topic with professionalism and respect, and be prepared to provide evidence of your achievements and value to the company. A well-timed and well-prepared negotiation can greatly increase your chances of a successful outcome. In conclusion, negotiating a salary increase is a multifaceted process that requires thorough preparation, research, and strategic timing. It's important to approach the negotiation with confidence, assertiveness, and professionalism to make a compelling case for a higher salary. Remember to clearly communicate your value to the company, align your request with industry standards and your achievements, and back it up with concrete evidence. With these expert tips in mind, you'll be well equipped to navigate the salary negotiation process successfully and increase your chances of achieving the desired outcome. So, prepare, research, strategize, and approach your salary negotiation with confidence to maximize your chances of securing the salary increase you deserve.